Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best hanging packing cube is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable travel accessories you can own, transforming chaotic luggage into an organized haven and streamlining your packing and unpacking process like never before. Imagine effortlessly accessing your clothes, toiletries, and essentials without rummaging through your entire suitcase, all while keeping everything neatly compartmentalized and ready to go. This innovative solution not only maximizes your packing space but also simplifies your life on the road, making it an absolute game changer for frequent travelers, weekend adventurers, and anyone who values efficiency and order. Number 5. Pack Gear Hanging Suitcase Organizer. Introducing the Pack Gear Hanging Suitcase Organizer, the ultimate solution for keeping your luggage tidy and accessible. This large organizer is designed to fit seamlessly into any suitcase, making packing a breeze. Its sleek design expands to accommodate all your travel essentials. Measuring 14.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 22.5 inches, it's perfectly sized for air travel and fits effortlessly into checked bags. Simply pack each compartment, place it in your bag, and you're ready to go. The zippered pockets ensure everything stays secure and in place during your journey. Hang it in tight spaces like hotel bathrooms or closets for easy access to your items. Reinforced steel hooks provide secure hanging for your travel shelves. Mesh windows allow you to see all your clothes and accessories at a glance. No more rummaging through your luggage to find what you need. Refer to our sizing guide to select the ideal organizer for your needs. Keep your belongings organized and accessible wherever you go. What we like. This organizer is designed to fit any suitcase, making it incredibly versatile. Its mesh windows allow you to see your items at a glance, and it hangs up to maximize space and reduce clutter. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that keeps your belongings tidy and accessible, especially in hotel rooms, this is the one for you. What people say. The hanging hook is sturdy and holds a good amount of weight. The multiple compartments are well organized and make it easy to find items. It's surprisingly spacious and can fit a lot more than I expected. Number 4. Pack Gear Hanging Carry-On Organizer. Our travel closet organizer is designed to fit any suitcase, from a sleek half-inch design. It expands to accommodate all your travel necessities, making it ideal for air travel. Choosing the right size is easy with our sizing guide. Our small suitcase organizer easily fits carry-on bags to keep things tidy. Packing is simple, just fill each compartment, place it in your bag, and you're ready to go. Zippered pockets keep everything secure and prevent spills. Hang it in tight spaces like hotel bathrooms or closets for easy access. Reinforced steel hooks secure your shelves to any fixture, maximizing your space. Our mesh windows make it easy to locate clothes and accessories. Find what you need quickly without rummaging through your luggage. What we like. This organizer is specifically designed for carry-on bags, ensuring a tidy packing experience for shorter trips. Like its larger counterpart, it features mesh windows for easy visibility and hangs to save space. If you're a frequent flyer who prefers carry-on only and values organization in a compact form, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The hanging hook is sturdy and holds up well, even when the cube is full. The compartments are well-sized and keep everything organized. It's surprisingly spacious and fits a lot more than I expected. Number 3. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of overstuffed luggage? These innovative packing cubes feature a compression zipper that expels air, saving you up to 30% more space. Pack more of what you need without the bulk. Crafted from durable, water-repellent fabric with smooth zippers, these organizers are built for the long haul. Despite their toughness, they remain incredibly lightweight, adding no extra burden to your travels. This versatile 4-piece set includes various sizes to perfectly fit all your luggage needs. From weekend getaways to extended trips, they accommodate carry-ons, suitcases, backpacks, and duffels with ease. Say goodbye to rummaging through your suitcase. These bags help you keep your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. Unique patterns allow you to quickly identify the right bag without a second thought. Whether it's a family vacation, a business trip, or an outdoor adventure, these packing cubes are ideal. They are perfect for keeping everything organized for any occasion, making your travels smoother and more enjoyable. What we like. These cubes offer a compression zipper to save up to 30% more space, perfect for packing more into your luggage. The set includes 4 different sizes to suit various needs, and they are made from durable, water-repellent fabric. If you often find yourself needing to pack more than you initially planned or want to keep different types of items separated efficiently, this set is ideal. What people say. The hanging hook is sturdy and allows for easy access to all items. Multiple compartments keep things organized and easy to find. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well to travel. Number 2. Suitcase Organizer Travel Bags. Introducing our innovative travel bags, designed to make packing a breeze. Keep your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible throughout your journey. Crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, these organizers minimize travel weight without compromising on longevity. They are built to withstand the demands of any trip. Protect your essentials from moisture with our water-resistant design. Your items will stay dry and secure, no matter the weather conditions. Featuring multiple compartments, these organizers allow for smart categorization of your toiletries and personal items. Find what you need instantly, saving you time and hassle. Their lightweight design makes them incredibly easy to carry. Simply pack them into your suitcase, backpack, or handbag without adding bulk. Choose from 2 convenient sizes to perfectly fit your packing needs. Small, 9.2 L x 7.2 W x 19.2 H, large, 14.5 L x 9.1 W x 20 H. What we like. This organizer boasts multiple compartments and pockets for superior categorization of toiletries and personal care items. Its water-resistant design protects your belongings from moisture, and it features a convenient hanging design for easy access. If you prioritize keeping your toiletries and smaller essentials neatly organized and protected from spills, this is a great option for your travel bag. What people say. The hanging hook is sturdy and allows you to hang the entire packing cube. The internal compartments are well organized and make it easy to find what you need. It's surprisingly spacious and can hold a lot of clothing and accessories. Number 1. Tripped Travel Gear Large Packing Cube Set, White. Tired of struggling to pack? Our compression cubes help you fit more by easily removing air from your clothes. Make packing for your next trip a breeze. See-through mesh makes finding what you need simple. Keep outfits separate in different cubes, so you're always prepared. It's perfect for storing bulkier items you don't need immediate access to. These organizers offer ample space. The extra-large cube can hold items like t-shirts, a puffy jacket, and pants. Even the smaller cubes and specialized bags are designed to hold a variety of essentials. Need to pack more? Use them in their expanded state. Traveling light? Utilize the compression zipper to save valuable space. They adapt to your packing needs. We provide top-notch travel accessories at an affordable price. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you're not happy, we'll make it right immediately. What we like. This set offers see-through mesh for easy identification of contents and the flexibility to be used expanded or compressed. It comes in multiple sizes, including an extra-large option, making it suitable for various packing needs. If you appreciate the ability to adjust your packing space and want to easily see what's inside each cube, this set provides excellent versatility. What people say. The hanging hook is sturdy and holds the cube securely. Multiple compartments allow for great organization of toiletries and accessories. The material is durable and water-resistant, making it perfect for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.